Hello everyone, Nika Chill is here, and today we will start challenge how to learn twerk in 7 days. First class will be about how to do shake with your hands on your knees. We will start just from warming up. Let's have a few squats. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and sit here. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's bounce it. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's have step to the right. 1, and 2. Left. 3, and 4. Right. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Open your knees. Stay here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your knees together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your hands. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inside. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your right hand. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your left one. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What you need to know about technical position. I'm open my legs a little bit wider than my shoulder, taking my hands on my knees and my big finger going inside will stay like that. A lot of girls have shoulder so in front and it will look like that. So I want you to take your shoulder back and think about having one line from your knee to your heel, from your knee to your shoulder. So try to have this one line. Next trouble is that a lot of girls have their neck closed and it's look like here. So try to show me your beautiful neck. So position will be like that. If you can see me from all sides. And last one, arch your back. Don't sit here. Try to arch it already so you will be ready to shake it down. From heel to knee, from knee to shoulder. Show me your beautiful neck and arch your back. And only from this position when you're here, I will shake it down, down. To shake it down, I'm thinking about moving just my hips. I will have my slow up and shake it down. Slow up and shake it down. Try to fully isolate your back. My knees not working, my neck not working, my chest, my shoulder, everything isolated. I'm just moving my hips up and shake it down. 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 And we will have 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything just get practice. Today is just first day, so don't be hard on yourself. From that position, I will have the same stuff. I will just try to shake it up and have slow down. Same. I'm just taking my hips slow down to shake it up. Slow down to shake it up. Try to isolate fully your back. Try to don't move it. Slow down and we have 8. Slow down 7. Slow down 6. Slow down 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. I know your legs can tell me thank you tomorrow. I'll try to do the same stuff, but I will now have just slow up and slow down just to understand what's going on there with my hips. So it will be slow up, slow down. 8. Now I'm trying to just understand how to use my hips without using anything else, fully isolated. 5 more. 5 and 4 and 3 and 2, and make sure that your knees not open it and don't close it. Make sure that your chest or your shoulder don't going up and down. Make sure that it just your hips going up and down and up and down and up and down. So it was kind of slow motion, and now I will take it to the shake, so it will look like shake up, shake down, shake up, shake down. Still, everything I try to fully isolate, and let's have 8 like that. 8 and 7, down, up, 5, 5, 5. Sometimes when I lose the count, I'm just keep shaking it. So up and down, I want to make it more anyways than 8. I want you to get used to it and feel comfortable. Up and down, up and down. And when you need it, it's YouTube, so like pause it and watch this video as many times as you will feel comfortable with the shake. But for now, let's continue. Up and down, 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 up and down. And only when you learn how to make the shake without using your knees, now I will add my knees on top of everything. So now when I will have shake up, I will close my knees, and when I will have shake down, I will open my knees, and it will look like I'm helping with my knees. But if you don't know how to fully isolate it, this is a challenge what you need to go through without your knees, because if you will try to learn your knees, you don't really feel how you use your hips, if it's making sense. So now, when I'm thinking about having shake up, I will close my knees. When I will shake it down, I will open my knees. For a lot of girls, it's much easier to make shake with the knees. They feel much more control. If you one of them, learn this one, and after, when you feel much more comfortable, go to isolation one. So close your knees, open it, close your knees, open it. When I'm closing, I'm shaking up. When I'm opening, I'm shaking down. Up and down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure that weight of your body holding on your knees. So I'm not just like shaking it here and like my hands just staying on my knees. I'm putting all weight of my body on my knees. Yep, let's try it. Up and down. Weight on your knees. Shoulder don't moving. Show me your neck. Up and down. Up and down. And up and down. And up and down. Okay, rest for a second while I will talk, because shake, it's something when you will get used to it, it's so many combinations what you can play with, and today I just want to show the double one. I really like this one. So now you already know how to make up, you know how to make down, so it will be double up and double down, but it will be not on same level, like up and up. I want to have it higher, higher, lower, lower. So you need to think about house with 2 floors, and if you're coming from 2nd floor to 1st floor, I really want to see it. I don't want to see it on the same level. I want to see how you're going on your floors, you know what I mean? So now when I will have higher, I will think about just to close my knees more and open it more. So like if I was closing it, I am splitting it on double, so I will close it a little bit to close it more. Open it a little bit to open it more. And when I have my up shake, to have one higher, I need to make a little preparation to have it down, to have it up, higher. So it will look like up, preparation on same level, higher. Down, preparation on same level, lower. When I tell preparation, it's to make shake up, I need to take my hips down to shake it up. To make shake down, I need to arch my back to shake it down. Look what I mean. Up, preparation, higher. Down, preparation, lower. Up, preparation, higher. Lower, preparation, higher. And this preparation, it's always look like more slow motion how we was doing. It's not really shake, 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 shake. It's more like shake, slow, shake. Shake, slow, shake. Let's try this speed just for 8 count. Hey, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Up and up, down and down. I know it's going to be a lot because you still need to think about your knees, your preparation, slow-mo, and shake. But let's give it a try. So you close on your knees, you have shake up, you make in preparation, you don't use in your knees, you don't use nothing, just your hips go down to have it higher. And I straight my knees. Now when I have shake down, I make preparations that I'm arching my back and I'm open my knees and I'm going down. Up and up, down and down. Up and up, down and down. Up and up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Make sure you show me your neck. Don't forget about that. Make sure you're not moving with your shoulder back and front, that it's fully isolated, and that your knees, it's not going in front of your toes. So I can move my knees, but it's still on the line of my heels. Up and down. Okay, how many more? 8 count, right? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and speed go faster. To create some combo, let's have it up, down, up, down, up, up, down, down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, down, up, down, up, up, down, down. Let's have the same but slower speed for all levels to watch me so you feel comfortable. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, down, up, down. Higher, higher, lower, lower. Same speed. Up, down, up, down. Higher, higher, lower, lower. Up, down, up, down. Higher, higher, lower, lower. Up, down. I'm watching you. Up, down. Higher, higher, lower, lower. And last one. Up, down, up, down, higher, higher, lower, lower. And let's just try to speed it up. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Hi, ha, ti, ti, ta, ta, hi, ha, hi, ha. Oh my God, cannot speak. So this was first day. Learn how to shake with me just in 10 minutes. First day of challenge, how to learn twerk in 7 days. Wish you the luck for next day.